Hello, members of the EDAP 690 class, the class that Mayor built. This is your weekly preview of our class for Monday, February 5. We have gotten to the point now where we are ready to take on creating an ebook about Mayor's principles. We will be using a tool called the VoiceThread, and what we will be doing Monday is I'll be walking you through how the VoiceThread works. I'll be showing you the different ways that we're going to create our VoiceThread. As you can see here, we'll have one will be a title slide, the second one will be a principle, the third will be examples, the case, the research. I'm going to ask you to create a word cloud from the Cliff Notes to identify the major concept of your principle. Most importantly, though, we are going to ask that everyone who has responded and now owns a principle, that at the end of your principle you create a prompt or a question for us to respond to about your principle. I've looked at the doodle. We look like we're all set to go. If you have not signed up, click on this link and follow it to the doodle poll, where you will be essentially selecting which one of the Mayor principles that you will be responsible for. And what you do is you just put your name here, like where my name is, you'd put your name. And then you go along here and you find one of the principles that's still available. You can move it out so you can see everything. And let's see, what do we have left? We have a couple left, but make sure you do that. And we will then create these, and that becomes our quote-unquote midterm. And then once we have finished with this in our ebook, we will have graduated from Mayor, and then we will move on to more of the multimedia construction things that will pretty much take up the class. Our Mayor multimedia book will be located right here, and this is, of course, Blackboard. And as you can see, when you click on that link and it takes you here, it says there's no VoiceThreads here. That is correct. And you're going to create one. Now, the thing that we'll have to be careful about is you need to be in here. Okay? Sometimes we've had folks jump into these and they end up being in VoiceThread for themselves. If that does happen, it's not the end of the world, because we can copy them over. All right. So that'll be what we'll be doing Monday in class. And we will probably spend the next 2 class periods on this because we'll need to take one of the classes to actually do the responses to the principles that you're going to create. I look forward to seeing you, as always, on Monday evening, February 5th. And as always, if you have any questions, 502-457-2937, send me a text. See you Monday.